Today, guys, we are making a beef tortilla.
Beef tortilla,
Beef
yeah.
tortilla, yeah. And we had to cut our vegetables. Do you call them vegetables?
Yes.
Yeah. We cut it.
They are vegetable.
So I was helping my boyfriend to cut. I'm a nice girlfriend, so I always
Yeah.
help.
So what did we cut so far?
We cut onions,
A lot of
garlic.
vegetables.
We cut all our vegetables with it, and we heated the oil. You say,
How
Fugu.
we put the onion to fry, yeah?
Yeah, when the onion was ready, we
Yeah.
added garlic, and
Yeah.
when garlic was ready, we added the mince,
Beef mince, yeah. And then we mix it. Oh my God, it looks so good now.
Yeah, it does look good, and we mix it well until it changes to gray.
Yeah, when it's gray, we start adding. Oh, that's like towards the end.
We started in our ingredients: salt, black pepper, vegeta,
And
cajun seasoning.
yes, those four we use in
To
this meal, yeah.
to make our mince good, tasty.
And at the very end, we add parsley. We cook with parsley maybe for a minute, and then we put it to rest. And we start preparing our tortillas. We're gonna need 5 of them for this meal. And for now, we just add cheese on the edges.
It's gonna look like something like, is it pizza? No.
Yeah, calzone.
Yeah, we added cheese in between all the tortillas and then some butter.
That's not in the
Oh, we
list.
didn't put it. Okay. And we added
Lettuce, green lettuce. We add spring onion.
in between the mince.
Yeah, we finish with mince. And at the
We
end,
had
more cheese. Yeah,
Oh, more cheese, more
of
cheese.
course. We always use more cheese.
There's never enough cheese.
Yeah.
And then after that, we close our tortilla with another one and added more butter.
More butter and more cheese
And
at
more
the edges.
cheese at the edges. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And we had to close. So it wasn't closing on its own, and we had to pop in toothpicks.
Toothpicks, yeah. Oh, we help ourselves with toothpicks. And then we put it in the oven
for how many minutes?
Like 200 degrees, 5 minutes until the cheese melts. Yeah, we just want the cheese to melt.
And then it was brownie and nice.
Yeah, and it was delicious.
Look at that.
Pretty simple dish to make.
Yeah.
And very, very delicious.
Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. See you on the next one.